Today we will learn how to export the reference and citations from Word into the EndNote library. Previously we was learning how to download, how to import to the EndNote and from EndNote to the Word file. But now we are doing the reverse. Why we are doing reverse? Because sometimes we have EndNote library or folder which is deleted due to some reasons. So if you have Word file which have citations, then you can make a new library instead of downloading those references one by one. So let's jump into the video. For example, I have a library but which was deleted. There is no library. So but I have Word file here which have 5 reference. So I will go to the options here, EndNote option, and click the export to EndNote. Choose the first option and it gives 2 options. If you have already a library, you can export to that library directly. But since our library is deleted, then I need to create a new library. Okay. So, but if you have some other libraries for some other articles, you can also export reference there. So instead I will choose the new one. Okay. Then click OK. And it gives the option to where I need to make the library. Oh, okay, these are some old library I made, and let's temporary. Okay, temporary. Okay, save. So let's see it's exporting or not. Okay, it says export is complete. Okay, so let's check. Go to the EndNote, and here you can see there is a library with the 5 reference and its name temporary, TEMP. And why there are 5? Because my Word have only 5 reference. So if you have 100, it will export to the 100. But make sure once you imported the reference here, these are in imported reference folder. So first you need to make a group, introduction, and then from this right click, choose and right click and move to the introduction. Why I move to the introduction? Because if you export a new reference, it will come to this folder and these 5 reference will be replaced by the new reference. So that's why make sure you have to first move them into the introduction folder in the my groups. So now we have made already a library from the Word file which have citations. So this was the last video about EndNote tutorials. So there are about 7, I guess, yeah, 7 tutorials from installing the EndNote to inserting the reference and exporting back. So I will make another full tutorial, but that will be a bit lengthy. That will include all steps in one video. And thank you very much for watching this video. I hope these information tutorial are helping you.